Hey everyone, welcome back to Trader Neo, your go-to place for real trading stories and sub market insights. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon below. Today, I have got a raw and honest story for you. A jackpot that I was this close to hitting, and finally I missed it. Yes, it happened in a particular equity, and trust me, it stings. Once I saw the run up later, I was literally like so much. What can I say? Anyways, it happens. That is the part of that is the nature of this game. But more than a loss, it's a lesson, one that each one of us need to hear. So if you have ever felt the pain of almost making it, please stick around. Cause today in this video I'm going to share not just what went wrong, I'm breaking it down so that you also can avoid this mistake and me in the future will try to perform better. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into it. Here on the screen we have the equity chart. This is the equity chart. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you must be aware what equity it is. However, due to SEBI restrictions and all, I am refraining from openly uh, naming this equity. However, let's focus onto the analysis. So this is daily chart. On the daily chart, we can see that from January onwards, there is a parallel channel going on. Upwards parallel channel is being formed. And okay, let me get the pen. How did I miss it? I should have kept it from the starting of the video itself. Anyways, here we are with the pen. So in this parallel channel, we can see that many times it has touched the top. Sometimes it has penetrated. We can say what we call it as penetration is yes penetration result. So many times it has touched the top, and many times it has touched the bottom part. Oh, so for this parallel channel, we don't have a middle line. Let me see if we can get a middle line. There was an option, yeah, middle line here. So with middle line, if you guys have watched my price action video, there is this is what we call it as uh, value shifting, and within that value shifting, the middle line is control price. So what is happening is that sellers are feeling comfort when this instrument touches upper part. Sellers are finding a great opportunity to sort it, and so when it comes down, and for the starting part, you can see that bottom part of the channel was empty. There was no trading. Only slight this pin bar and in intraday prices went there. What does that indicate? Price is not going to the bottom part of the channel. That means buyers are quite strong. So here buyers are quite strong. Let me erase the all drawings. It is getting clumsy. So in this part, okay. So in this part, price never went to the bottom part. It never closed itself. Somewhere we can ignore this one time. So here buyers are quite strong and it is in uptrend. First major profit, and here this is the time when sellers got active and they brought the price back. They b- brought the price at bottom, and for many days it did not go up. So that means seller were dominating here. Then one time it came down, went up, then came down, went up, and again came down. So yesterday also at this the candle I traded and I was profitable. And today at this candle, I was determined. Like if yesterday's, if I get to like, if price comes near to yesterday's, uh, okay, let me see if my camera is visible. Okay, camera is visible. That's good. What if I move it up? Okay, that is good. Anyways, so where were we? Yes, yesterday also I took, so yesterday's trade was successful, and today I was determined that if I get price somewhere near yesterday's low, I will go long and wait for it. So let's move on to 15 minutes chart, my favorite these days. So on, let me zoom in a bit. Yeah. So here starts the day, and somewhere here I've I found an opportunity and I went long at this candle, second candle. And you can see, let me remove the drawings, and you can see in this I went long at this candle, and here when price went here it was showing huge MTM loss. I thought that why did I take this trade and all and all. Then minutes later I found it going up, and somewhere, let me see which, okay, somewhere in, yeah, actually I had forgotten it. I did not see this candle. Just sometime I saw that it has went down. I did not like, I left looking at it. Then sometime later when I started watching it, I saw it here, and seeing a great opportunity, I booked profits exactly at this top. So here I booked the profits and done for today. So I thought that I will not, like, uh, today is Friday and 2 days there is weekend. So during the weekends also some tensions are going on, internal tensions are going on. So I did not feel wise to be in a trade, and thinking that, I squared off it and maintain my cash positions. However, later, in the later part of the day, as I was looking at it, at this chart, I saw another pattern. Like if I could make this as a, let me draw it uh, from here. My parallel channel won't be that good. Okay, parallel channel. Let me search it. PAR. Yes, parallel channel. So if we draw a parallel channel here, it can be drawn a parallel channel this way. So see, yesterday price was going up and down in this channel. So after this huge fall, we can consider this as a flag pattern. See, flag pattern. But today when it broke down, after I exited, I saw that it can be like a testing of this pattern. And after that it went down. But here I was thinking, when price went here, I had uh, placed my order at like some 1% below from here. When price was here itself, somewhere like somewhere here, I had placed an order of somewhere, where it can be, yes, somewhere, okay, remember, yes. So somewhere at this place I had placed my buy order. So like if price had come to this level, my buy order would have been triggered. But once I saw price here, I had the urge to go long. But I but this is not the time for me to take risk. Like I have no reason to take risk. This year I am planning to, like, my goal is to preserve the capital that I have, and so I refrain myself from taking unnecessary profits, and that is why I skip this trade. And after minutes later, like 1 hour later, I see the price coming here. That was around 25,000 of profits that I missed. So that is how it went. And like today's price action, I can see that yeah, from here there might be it has tapped in. Uh, it took the stop loss and then went back. Or if we look at the daily chart, it seems perfect. In daily chart, it is below the channel, so there is no so there is no like what we call, there is no meaning of sorting this. It is already at the lowest point. So that is how the trade went, and I missed one of the trade good profits. That was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please feel free to ping down in the comments any doubts you have regarding this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Signing off, Aryan.